How to unlock a permanently locked account on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's start right away. Open the web browser on your phone, and type Snapchat support in the search bar. Now you want to open this link here that says Snapchat support. I will leave a link in the description of this video so you can open it from there. When you open the site, you want to click on Contact Us right here. Now you want to select the option that says, I think my account has been compromised right here. And now scroll down until you see this. We need to contact the Snapchat support and explain our problem. Now there is a wide variety of reasons why your account could have been locked. From violating the Snapchat terms, to using third-party apps and so on. So right here, you need to enter your username, email, phone number, and then you want to type something like I am typing right here. Tell them that you didn't violate the terms, or that you didn't use any third-party apps, and ask them to resolve your problem and unlock your Snapchat account. They are pretty good at responding, and they should respond to you within a day or two and unlock your account. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.